Hey everybody, Jim King back out in Liberty, Missouri. Done a lot of work over the years in Liberty, Missouri, my crew and I. This house here is very big. I would call this almost a mansion. I don't know, it's a big old house. Very nice house, beautiful house. But if you can look at the walls right there, it's buckling in. That footing is sunk. And that brick is moving out. And that's all due to the footing holding the foundation wall that's basically holding that brick. So stay with me, King Piers. We got two King Pier I's, and that's 2 pours of concrete. We go 49 inches the bottom of the footing, 49 inches below it, and then we'll pour 3 foot of concrete, high strength concrete, 4,000 psi, 100% cement, no fly ash, and we'll dump that in the hole and vibrate it, and then a self level. We'll come back the next day after it's dry, and it may not be 100% dry, but we've never had a problem. We'll come back, set a steel plate, King Pier, hydraulics, laser levels, and we'll start raising the footing back to its correct level elevation. So stay with me. King Piers out here in Liberty. I believe we are the finest contractors there are anywhere in the USA when it comes to making homes level. Give me a call, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.